Hey everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm super excited. It's the new Brutus Monroe inspiration box, and this one is Splish Splash. So this is for February, I believe. This is the February box, and I just think this just makes me so happy. I love the yellow and the blue together. Super, super cute. I have not looked inside, but I am very excited to see what is in this box. I've seen samples of the stamp set, and so yeah, the design team for Brutus Monroe did an amazing job with it. So I'm excited. So let's go ahead and open up the box, and we'll set it off to the side. Oh my gosh, yes, so I can already tell there's a lot of wonderful stuff in here. We're gonna jump right out of the gate. This is some of the Simon Hurley stamping foam. I haven't had a chance to use it yet because this has just been a crazy month, but I'm excited to try that. I have some of it, and so I'm really stoked. You can get this in packs of 4, but the way this works, if you haven't seen it, is that you can heat this up and basically press anything, just about anything, into it and make an impression and then stamp it with the block, and then you reheat it and then it pops back up. So from what I understand, this is like kind of it was a product that was out like a while before, but they brought it back, and so I can't wait to play around with it. All right, so there's that. Let's talk about what else is in the box. Okay, ooh, all right, we've got, check out our little pin. It's a darling little duck. Is that not super, super cute? Look at how cute and tiny he is. He's adorable. Oh, okay, so we've got our pin. There's so much in here. Oh my gosh, so much in here. All right, let's go with our embellishments. Okay, I love that Brutus Monroe has been doing this. Their packaging is just, I don't know, it just makes me happy. I love it. And so we've got our 3 assorted colors of ribbon, and there's about a yard of each color. So here's our color palette, super cute. We've got some yellow, that's a bright yellow, and then like a subdued blue, and then like a sea foam. And then our sequin pack is just as awesome. And then we have some lavender in there as well. Ooh, and that lavender is more like a prism kind of shiny, really pretty color. That is awesome. Makes my heart happy. Oh, I love that. Okay. Now we have, oh, check this out. So we've got some embossing powder. This is the Sparkle Suds. I haven't tried it yet, so let me get a sample of that going for you. Okay, so I did it on white and I did it on a dark cardstock. This is a navy cardstock, and so it looks like it is a clear embossing powder with some like blue glitter in it, and it looks great, I think, on both. It's really sparkly and shiny, so it gives that bubble feel I like. I think that looks really cool, and I do think it looks cool on both, so depending on what kind of a look you're going for. So there is that, and lots more goodies in here. Oh, check out the stencil. It's like a brick stencil, 6 by 6. That's cool. I like that. Let's pull out some cardstock so you can take a look at what it looks like. That's great. Like brick or just like geometric, however you want to do it, but I think that's really neat. I like that. I like that. Oh, yes. Woo! I love the foilables, even more now that I have my Mink, because if you watched last month's, I went to town. And I'm going to do it again because I thoroughly enjoyed it. So let's take a look. There are typically 4 patterns, 2 of each. I love it. We've got bubbles. Then we have some little ducks. Oh, how cute. So when I say foilable, what that means is you can run it through a foiling machine or your laminator if you're able to do that. But these are also great because you can sponge on them, you can color on them. Oh, we've got bathtubs. Look at that. You got some options. Oh, and look at how detailed that one is. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love it. Oh, I love it. Love it. So you've got 8 card panels right there. So fun. So I'm going to be playing around with those a little bit. And let's see what else. Oh yes, 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 yes. Okay, I see it. I'm so excited. They did this last month and I was over the moon for this. We've got our sentiment strips. This is awesome. And these are foilable also. I did it last month. I tried it out. They are, which is awesome. I'm so glad they're putting these in there. So it's 2 of each. You got white and you have black, and they're the same sentiments on each, just 1 on white, or 2 in white and 2 in black. I'm so happy for you. Quack, quack. You quack me up. You are my sunshine. Make a splash. Rub-a-dub-dub. Welcome, little one. Just keep swimming. Quack. Quacky birthday to you. Have a waddleful day. Oh, that's cute. You are one cool duck. You are extra special. You lucky duck. Take time to unwind. Splish splash. Love you more than a duck loves water, and that means a lot. Rest and relax. Waddle I do without you. I don't know what it is with waddle. You are one cool duck. Just paddling along. Look at you with all your ducks in a row. Yeah, that would not get sent to me. I'm a lucky duck to have you in my life. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, and happy spring. Oh, I love that they're doing those. I love, love, love that they're doing those. So I'm so happy about that. Yay, Brutus Monroe. Okay, so there are those. Let's go on to our paper before I show you the stamp set, which just, oh my gosh, I can already tell you is super, super, super cute. All right. Okay, here we go. Here's our cardstock. Ooh, we have one full 8.5 by 11 sheet of some green glitter stock. We have some like a lavender color, and these are a little bit lighter weight. We have a light yellow, a dark purple, bright yellow, and then like a neon green. So how cute is that? Great color palette. All right, and then let's take a look at our stamp set. I'm excited. This is really cute. Okay, so here it is. Who's ready for some spring? This is called Splish Splash. How cute is this? So you have your Easter basket, you've got a little bathtub, you've got the bubbles you could put on the top. We have 4 different eggs. Oh my gosh, all these little things where you can dress up this duck. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. So there's like sunglasses, a party hat. We've got like a little sailor hat, a bow, some little rabbit ears, and then like a little chef hat. How cute is that? And then we have some rain boots as well. Rub-a-dub-dub, just ducky, splish splash, waddle you up to. Hello and happy spring. I love it. I'm so excited. How cute is that? I don't have any duck stamps, so this is fun. And I like how it's a combination where you can use it with, you can use it for spring or just Easter. This is so cute. All right, so there it is, all the wonderfulness that comes in this box. Go ahead and like this video if you liked it, and subscribe. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss what I'm going to do with it. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.